guys, so it snowed out here in New York, and we are going to help some birds. Right, Haru? We're gonna help some birds today. Birds. Oh, thank you also for everyone who bought the photos of Haru. It means so much to us. Thank you for supporting our channel and also getting those awesome photos. Here's another one. It's called Haru in the Snow. It's also available for purchase in the description below for just $1. Alright, so Haru is right now in her shedding season. She's in her shedding season quite a bit. Shiba Inu shed a lot, guys. So we use something called the Furminator. It is the best tool of de-shedding. So yeah, we're gonna de-shed her a little and make that bird's nest. So we collected this much of Haru's hair and we're going to put it in the bird's nest. Alright, so we're gonna keep an eye on this bird nest over there. Thank you everybody, give Haru a like for making a bird nest so that birds could be warm this winter to spring. Thank you, Haru. Thanks, Haru. She doesn't like to have she doesn't like the camera right on her face.